Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the monthly, I do think this is the end of a wave 3, and if that is true, then I think we are very likely in a wave 4, which I think it will make some sort of a three-way pattern, probably down to the 50%, before it goes up and makes another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down right here is a wave A. I think this is an A, B, C of wave B forming now, which should be a crescent to the wave A, then eventually back down for the wave C of wave 4. Just keep in mind that this is the weekly monthly time frame, so this pattern is going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, wave A ends right here, I believe. I think this is an A, expanding flat for the wave B, and I think we are very likely in an uptrend, which I think will go up to the 138 or the 123 for the wave C of wave B. So, keeping all this in mind, because it's very important no matter what time frame you trade on. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, my new structure level on the 4 hour is right here. As long as this 4 hour continues to make high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low series, I will definitely continue to do nothing but look for longs. We are at a previous, support resistance area, but that doesn't really mean anything. Honestly, if it does make another pullback, I'm going to be excited not to go short, but in order to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, we are at a support level. We are also at a Fibonacci extension level. So if it does start to push down, I personally will not be sorting it, but I'm not a scalper, so that's why. I would much prefer to wait patiently when it does start to go down, or if it does start to go down, I'll put my Fibonacci retracement on there. I'll look for three waves down. I'll look for a Fibonacci bounce. I'll look for an engulfing move up to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Ever since this thing broke structure over a week ago, there's been plenty of long opportunities. One, two, three waves down, go long. One, two, three, go long. One, two, three, go long. One, two, three, go long. So what am I doing now? I'm waiting for more three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.